We're gonna try to do this run at a comfortable zone 2. See how long I can do a zone 2, because it may get tired, and then I've been treating my body like crap all week on a cruise ship. So, you know, it's not 100% healthy. Heart rate's probably gonna get a little crazy, but I'm interested to see what I can do. Bar's already open. That's the important part. Oh, my knees feel like crap. Bad I've been about running. I'm already peak zone 2 right now. So I'm definitely the first person on this side of the island this early. Bars are already open on this side. Crazy. That's where the sidewalk ends. Loop it back. Yacht club only area. I think it's too early for them to actually catch me. So we'll see if I can make it all the way through. All right, that is 3.1 of the slowest 5K I've run in quite a while. Give you the final stats here. 1 second. All right, 3.11 miles. Average heart rate was 148, so I was way above zone 2. I'll tell you, cruise ship life is not healthy life. 160 strides per minute is about where I want. Hardly any elevation on the island. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm back at the ship now. Thank you for coming with me. Again, we're gonna call this, depending on where you're at on the Key K thing, it's either 5K on Ocean Cay or MSC Run With Me on Ocean Cay. Anyway, I'm gonna go in and get a shower and see Jenny. Happy 15th anniversary to my wife.